Good evening, Excellency, friends. Today our project is a compressor. This compressor machine used for the suck the gas. If lack of gas, compressor machine used for suck the gas. If your gas is a lack of this complete your volume, your needs. You can say this instrument used for the complete the your lack of gas. This machine now this time this gas machine is out of order. Now I check what is the main fault. Now I open this one from bottom side and left and right side, and I show you further information after a few moments. Now we start our project, and I am try to open all screw and check what is the main problem here. According to my opinion, this area is fishing weavers. Now I complete this main topic. There is a 16 page, 16 screw. You can see this needs the time for opening. Dear viewers, now I open this bottom side. Now you see this motor is in good condition, no damage, only some area, only color change and very hot because during the using the temperature is increased and this area is very hot. Check some fault may be having here in controller. Now I remove this one. Actually this bolt is outside, net is inside. I open from the outside first, lose it, and after this area go inside and we remove from the inside. Now you see controller plate. Now I check where is the fault. Maybe supply power, supply matter. Maybe any joint is loose. I remove this solution tape and after check where is the fault. Observe, the fault is not here. Maybe fault will go in the inside, in the motor side. Now I open the left and right window. My name is two parts. Here are small parts.
Now this is open the side.
Now I open the both side, left and right. Now I check inside this area. Here I have some gas kit. Viewers, it is a gas kit or rubber washer. You can see. Okay. Here I have the main point. Oh, now I open this one open. One side I open and other side is I push here with thumb and this open now very easy. It is a magnet. Now I check the magnet. Now this area. Try to open this motor outside. This is all made in copper and copper winding. Now this is also empty. No anything inside. According to my thinking, fault is here in the magnet area because maybe this wiring may be damaged or no any power magnet no make the power. Just viewers, fault is a here. This area joint is not fixed, not good condition. Now good. Now I catch the fault. Now I show you light. Viewers, now this fault is already finished. Now I put same area, same place. I hope you enjoy this video, and if you like, you please subscribe and like and share it. I am very thankful to you. Okay, sir. And next time I again meet you with the new complicated matter, and I hope you not reject me, you accept me. Okay, sir.